today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this tutorial right here of a chevron pattern. So first things first, we're going to create a new file. So to do this, I'm going to click Command N. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to make our artboard to be 4 inches wide and 3 inches high. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Okay, so the next step is to create a rectangle. So we're going to come over and grab the rectangle tool, or just simply click M on your keyboard. Then we're just going to simply click on the artboard. It'll pop up this rectangle options right here. And we're going to make our rectangle 1.15 inches wide and 0.75 inches high. So just click OK. Now I'm going to grab the move tool by simply clicking V on my keyboard. And I'm going to move my rectangle along the center of my artboard. And I'm also going to make sure my rectangle has a black fill and it has an invisible stroke, making it that it doesn't have a stroke. Okay, so the next step is that if we don't have our rulers showing, we want them to show. So we're simply going to click Command R on our keyboard, and then we're going to come over here to the corner and we're going to zero out our top left corner. So what this does, it makes your left side to be zeroed on your top ruler and your top side of your rectangle to be zeroed on your vertical ruler. Okay, so now we want to make a guide to be 1/4 from the top side. So I'm just going to drag down a guide and put it 1/4 from the top. And then I'm going to zero out my bottom now, bottom left, and then make a 1/4 of an inch away guide from the bottom. Okay, next thing is we're going to add 4 anchor points. So I'm just zooming in to add the points. So I'm going to come over here and click the pen tool, and I'm going to click the add anchor point tool. I'm going to add 1 anchor point by the left intersecting with the bottom guide, and then 1 on the opposite side, 1 on the top middle, and then last 1 on the bottom middle. Now I want to get rid of these corner anchor points, so I'm going to go over and click the delete anchor point tool. And I'm simply just clicking on those corner anchors. Now I want to get my direct selection tool. So what the direct selection tool allows me to do is to actually select the anchor point tool as opposed to the selection tool, which selects the whole shape. So I want just the anchor point tool, so I'm going to click the direct selection tool, or also A on your keyboard, and grab this bottom middle anchor, and I'm going to drag it up to the top guide. And I'm going to make sure that I'm still aligning it to the middle of the rectangle. And just let it drop. Okay, so there we have our first strip of the chevron. So now all we have to do is grab the selection tool, simply click V on your keyboard, and I'm going to Option, click, and drag. So hold down your Option as you click and drag your shape up, and then again click your middle one, and then hold down Option as you click and drag down, and make sure it's aligned to the middle, and just let it drop. And there you have it, your little pattern of 3 little stripes. So to hide these guides right here, you want to simply click Command and the semicolon, and it hides them. But yeah, there you have your shape, the tutorial. So I hope you guys recreate this tutorial in the future, or at least it helps you have an understanding of how you could create some sort of pattern or object like this. So thank you for watching, and good luck in your future projects. Thanks.